Hey foodies! If you're always on the hunt for delicious, healthy meal options like me, then stick around. I've got something juicy for you today. And don't forget to click the link in the description below for a special discount on Factor75 meals. Alright, so you've probably heard of Factor75 by now, right? They're all over my Instagram feed. But are they really worth the hype? Spoiler alert, I tried them, and I've got all the deets for you. First up, let's talk about the variety. Factor75 offers a rotating menu of chef-crafted meals. Think gourmet without the snooty price tag. I'm talking dishes like pesto salmon and sun-dried tomato chicken. Fancy, huh? Now, for the taste test. Honestly, I was skeptical at first. Pre-packaged meals can sometimes taste like cardboard, but Factor75? Oh my gosh. The flavors were spot on. The chicken marsala. Hello, Flavortown. The textures were surprisingly fresh and not soggy at all. Even the veggies were crisp. Who knew? But what about the nutritional value? Factor75 meals are designed by dietitians, so they're balanced and healthy. Each meal is packed with nutrients and free from junk like GMOs and artificial preservatives. Plus, they've got options for keto, paleo, and high-protein diets. So whether you're a fitness buff or just looking to eat cleaner, they've got you covered. Okay, let's dive into the pricing. Factor75 meals start at around $11 per meal, depending on the plan you choose. It might seem a bit steep, but think about it. No grocery shopping, no meal prep, no cooking, and best of all, no dishes. That alone is worth a few extra bucks, right? And hey, don't forget that special discount link in the description below. So, are Factor75 meals worth the hype? Drumroll, please. Yes. If you're looking for convenience without sacrificing taste or health, Factor75 is a game changer. The meals are delicious, nutritious, and super easy to fit into a busy lifestyle. So what do you think? Have you tried Factor75? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to smash that like button if you found this review helpful. And for that sweet discount on your first order, click the link in the description below. Happy eating, friends. Until next time, stay hungry and stay healthy. Bye.